Are you looking for a land that you can buy and build? There is one for you in Obam Prime 4 on Ogombo Road, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So it's a buy and build, and you can start living in the place. The Obam Prime 4 is opposite AJAH Maternal and Child Health Center in Adesanya, Ogombo, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So I'll take you in. It has a perfect title you are looking for, C of O, and I will show you what we've done and also show you the portion that is available for sale. It's a landed property. We are not selling building here, and this is going for 160,000 per square meter. It means that if you are buying 300 square meter, you need to multiply 300 by 160,000 naira. So any amount that gives you, that is what you will pay. So we have 300 here, we have 500 here, and you can initial deposit is 50%, in which you can spread the rest for over 6 months with no interest. So I want you to follow me in now so that I can show you what is available in Obam Prime 4. So let's go. So technically, they've not started moving in here because we sold some of the building here. So we've delivered some, but they've not started moving in here. So I'll show you all this place now. Though we are still putting the infrastructure together for the Obam Prime 4, but here we still have some landed property that we are selling. So let's go. So I'll show you some of the building that we finished the completion, and some that is ongoing. And this place, there is landed property, like I said, that you can buy and build immediately. So as you see, we've built some and we are still building. So this is the best time to key into this. This is Obam Prime 4 with a good title, certificate of occupancy. So let's check in so you can see everything that we've done here. So let's go. So these are the buildings that we are working on for all our subscribers that subscribe to Obam Prime 4. So let me just walk you through everything to see what is available for sale. And like I said, is a landed property we're selling here, which you can start building immediately. So this is it. This is it. So just sit down and let's start the Obam Prime 4 together. So we're still building all this. Let's start it together. This is where the land is. So inside Obam Prime 4. So we're coming all the way from the gate to this place. So just to show you the portion that is available. This is the portion of land that is available for sale. So this is Obam Prime 4, and this is the time that you can key into it. So from the gate to this place, so the road is not fixed, that this will be fixed, and within a short period of time you can get to Ogombo Road and navigate your way. So from this estate to Lekki Expressway is less than 5 minutes to the express. So this is the best time to buy. This is going for 160,000 per square meter. We have 300 square meter here. We have 500 square meter. This is Obam Prime 4. They're opposite AJAH Maternal and Child Health Care is Lagos State Hospital. So this is the best time to buy. The title is C of O, and you have 6 months interest free. Initial deposit is 50% of any amount you want to buy. Like I said, it's 160,000 per square meter. So you multiply 160,000 by 300 square meter if you're going for 300 square meter, and if you're going for 500 square meter, you multiply the 500 square meter by 160. I think that one should give you like 80 million naira for year. So it's something that you can buy now and you can start your building. My number is showing on the screen. Call me right away. I will be expecting your call. This is the best time to key into this. So if you are looking for buy and build, this is the time to invest in this buy and build property. So I'll be expecting your call. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Olashile David. What I know best is to help you invest your money wisely. Call me right away. Comment, like, share to your friends and family. This is Obam Prime. This is buy and build, and you can start your building immediately. I'll be expecting your call.